unbox this thing called glow in dark sticks lollipop. So this is a package which I received from Amazon morning. So let's unbox it. So guys, here there is package from Amazon, and here is written subscribe. So you should subscribe to my channel. And guys, you must subscribe to my channel. Wait a second, guys. Here, this package not open. Oh, so we have also subscribed. So you should subscribe to my channel. So Amazon got to know that you must subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe. So this is the 2 lollipops which I got. So this is actually glow in dark stick. So here there is called hopping duckling glow lollipop, the duck and the lollipop, and backside there are some things. Guys, now I'm back with my knife. So let's begin. Yes, Amma. This smile is also very nice, guys. Oh my god, this is very beautiful. So guys, this is this duck lollipop which will I do. Not bad, it's good. And here is the main thing. So let's crush the lollipop. So this lollipop is for my director, and this is the thing which we want. So my director had the lollipop. Director, how's the lollipop? Thanks. So this is the stick. So what we'll have to do is break it, then it will glow. So let's turn off the lights, and I hope you will see it. So guys, break this stick into half and shake it like anything. Shake it. And guys, you might see this light. So this is some kind of chemical reaction happening inside. So guys, now you can see this lollipop, which is very amazing. And guys, you can't believe this thing is for 5 rupees in India. 5 rupees, guys, literally 5 rupees. And this thing only glows for 24 hours. Light is also bright. Like you can see this on button over here. Oh, yeah, on. Here is the switch plug, and here is my light, and here there is my stuff. Avengers logo. I hope you are not seeing this because of the camera. That's on the light. Yeah, guys. So this is a very nice stick. So we'll have one more which I will keep as a souvenir for me, because this is a very nice thing and for very cheap. And guys, you must subscribe to my channel. And this glow stick was amazing for 5 rupees. If you want, you can buy from Amazon. It must have been out of stock, so you might not get it. So thank you guys for watching my video. But before ending the video, from my previous video, you might have known that I might have making a giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed. When I will get 200 subscribers, I will give away phone itel Magic 2 Max. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Bye.